both of our countries. Today I am delighted to welcome the launch of the India-Australia Renewable Energy Partnership. This is a significant milestone in our cooperation. Our new partnership will boost two-way investment in renewable energy projects like solar PV manufacturing, battery mineral processing, green hydrogen and green iron, build the future renewable energy workforce, including through skills and training, and ultimately unlock economic opportunities to support the net zero transition. One of the key early projects under the partnership is the establishment next year of the India-Australia Rooftop Solar Academy. Australia will partner with India's Skill Council for Green Jobs and the private sector to train 2,000 young Indian technicians on solar PV. We will bring our expertise in training, curriculum development and our extensive experience on rooftop solar, where we are the largest producer per capita of rooftop solar in the world. The Academy aligns with India's own initiative to install rooftop solar for 10 million households over just the next few years. This is a great example of practical cooperation between our two countries to develop the skills for the renewables workforce of the future. Australia's relationship with India is also vital to regional security and stability. I've agreed with Prime Minister Modi that Australia and India will renew and enhance our joint declaration on defence and security cooperation next year, reflecting the growing maturity of defence and security ties between our two countries since the initial declaration was made in 2009. Prime Minister Modi and I have also committed to developing a joint maritime security collaboration roadmap, including to deepen maritime domain awareness. Australia's relationship with India is stronger, deeper and more consequential than ever before. We're approaching the 5th anniversary of our comprehensive strategic partnership, and I know that both Prime Minister Modi and I place tremendous value on continuing to deepen the ties between our two great nations. I look forward to doing this through the measures that we've announced today and through the friendship and goodwill that exists between our people. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Prime Minister.
Your Excellency एंथनी अल्बनीज़ी, मीडिया के मेरे साथी, नमस्कार। आज भारत और ऑस्ट्रेलिया की दूसरी एनुअल समिट की बहुत ही सार्थक मीटिंग संपन्न हुई है। पिछले 2 वर्षों में मेरे मित्र अल्बनीज़ी के साथ यह 11वीं मुलाकात थी।
Your Excellency Anthony Albanese, friends from the media, Namaskar. Today we had a very productive meeting of the 2nd India-Australia Annual Summit. In the last 2 years, this was my 11th meeting with my friend Albanese.
ये द्विपक्षीय संबंधों में नई ऊर्जा के संचार का प्रतीक है। एक्टा के लागू होने के बाद पिछले 2 वर्षों में हमारे आपसी व्यापार में 40% वृद्धि हुई है। रक्षा क्षेत्र में जॉइंट एक्सरसाइज, यंग ऑफिसर्स के बीच एक्सचेंज और हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स के डिप्लॉयमेंट को बढ़ावा मिला है।
This is a symbol of new energy in our bilateral relations. After ECTA came into force, in the last 2 years, our bilateral trade saw a 40% increase. In the area of defense, through joint exercises, exchange between young officers and deployment of our platforms, our relations have seen a new impetus.
हमने ब्रिस्बेन में नया कॉन्सुलेट खोला है और ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने बेंगलुरु में। 2 ऑस्ट्रेलियन यूनिवर्सिटीज ने भारत में अपने कैंपस भी खोले हैं।
We have opened a new consulate in Brisbane and Australia has opened one in Bengaluru. 2 Australian universities have also opened campuses in India.
आज हमारे संबंधों के सभी पहलुओं पर विस्तार से व्यापक चर्चा हुई। अगले वर्ष हम कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप के 5 वर्ष मनाएंगे।
Today, we had detailed discussions on our relations. Next year, our comprehensive strategic partnership will complete its 5 years.
डिफेंस इंडस्ट्री, क्रिटिकल मिनरल, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी, शिप बिल्डिंग, स्पेस, स्पोर्ट्स जैसे क्षेत्रों में आपसी सहयोग की नई संभावनाओं पर काम करेंगे।
Defense industry, critical minerals, renewable energy, shipbuilding, space and sports are areas where we will work on exploring new opportunities of cooperation.
पारस्परिक लाभदायक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इकोनॉमिक कोऑपरेशन समझौते के लिए काम किया जाएगा।
We will work on a mutually beneficial comprehensive economic cooperation agreement.
प्रधानमंत्री एल्बेनीजी ने मुझे आश्वासन दिया है कि वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भारतीय समुदाय और विशेषकर भारतीय छात्रों के हितों के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है।
PM Albanese has assured me of his commitment to the interests of the Indian community, especially Indian students in Australia.
फ्रेंड्स, इंडो पैसिफिक क्षेत्र में शांति, स्थिरता और समृद्धि का हम मिलकर के समर्थन कर रहे हैं और आगे भी करते रहेंगे।
Friends, we have been working together to promote peace, stability and prosperity in the Indo-Pacific and we will continue to do so.
वैश्विक संघर्षों और तनावों को सुलझाने के लिए हमने डायलॉग और डिप्लोमेसी पर बल दिया है। ग्लोबल इंस्टीट्यूशंस में रिफॉर्म्स की आवश्यकता पर भी हम एकमत हैं।
We have stressed on dialogue and diplomacy to solve global conflicts and tensions. We also agree on the need to reform international institutions.
अगले वर्ष भारत में होने वाली क्वाड समिट के लिए प्रधानमंत्री एल्बेनीजी ने हमारा निमंत्रण स्वीकार किया।
Next year, India will host the Quad Summit and Prime Minister Albanese has accepted our invitation.
मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आने वाले समय में भारत और ऑस्ट्रेलिया की साझेदारी नई ऊंचाई छुएगी और फोर्स फॉर द ग्लोबल गुड बनेगी। थैंक यू।
I am certain that the India-Australia partnership will touch new heights in the coming years and will be a force for global good. Thank you.
Thank you, Excellency.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Prime Minister. Thank you.